Hey guys, welcome to my channel if this is your first time, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Today's video is going to be a Hobby Lobby shop with me. I asked you guys on my community tab in a poll where you wanted to see me go next to look at all the fall 2018 home decor, and you guys voted Hobby Lobby. I've already been to Kirkland's. I'll link that video down below in case you haven't seen it yet. And I've actually already been here too. Because I'm a little bit fall obsessed, but I didn't take any footage, so I am going to do that today. And I'm going to try my best to hold the camera very steady and show as many prices as I can, but I know, since I've already been here before, that there is so much to see. So I'm going to try my best, you guys, and I'm going to show you what I think you really want to see. And if I can link anything below, I will put a number on the screen, and then that number will correspond with its link. I got that idea from, I think her name is Alexandria Buter or something. I'll link her channel below. Her channel is different than mine, but I watch hers. These pumpkin plaques would be really cute on a door instead of a wreath. I love that they're kind of rustic with a touch of glitter, and they come in white and orange, so there's something for everybody, whether you like neutral or traditional colors. I really liked this yard stake with the stacked pumpkins. I think it's adorable, and I was kind of shocked when I saw the price. For $24.99, that's a really good value, especially because this stuff is 40% off right now, and you can get a huge piece for your front yard for less than $15. This piece is going to be very popular this year. It's only $29.99 and it's double-sided, so you can use it for both the harvest season and for Halloween. If these pumpkins with the glitter swirls on them look familiar to you, it may be because Dollar Tree actually has the same pumpkin in a mini version this year. I am absolutely in love with these little plates. I love both patterns and the colors on them, but for $9.99, I'm not sure that these will ever make it into my cart. There is a little bit of a gold and white theme here at Hobby Lobby with these pumpkins. I love the mini ones. They say 3 different phrases: thankful, grateful, and I believe blessed, and they are $5.99. They would make adorable little place settings if you put them on top of a plate on your Thanksgiving table. I love these little squatted pumpkins. They're so cute. And I had to show you guys this chevron pumpkin because I bought that as my first pumpkin probably 5 years ago, and they still have it at Hobby Lobby.
I really love these large buckets. These are $25.99, but they are pretty big, so I think that's a fair price, especially with the 40% off. And this is the kind of thing you can use now and then flip it around and use it all year round. You don't have to show the side that says pumpkin, so I really do like that. Of course, Hobby Lobby has some throw pillows. This one has kind of like a grain sack vibe to it. I really like the back of the pillow actually. I would use that year round. And this one is double-sided. It has the quote on the front and the black and white buffalo check on the back. And for $24.99, if you can get these on sale, that's a really good price. And they do have a small black and white buffalo check section here at this Hobby Lobby, but not as big as I have seen at other stores. This actually isn't my usual store. But these little pumpkins are so cute. I was hoping to find the buffalo check pumpkin scatter, but I didn't see that here. So this is just a small portion of what they have possibly at other stores. I really love these mugs. Those are so cute. Those would be adorable for Christmas time. And of course there's table runners and Garland and these really cute plates, but these are expensive, you guys. They are $9.99, but a cheaper alternative would be to get these chargers here. These are not machine washable, but you could get this charger. These are only $4.99, and just put a clear plate on top or just a white plate. There is a whole aisle of garlands and pumpkin picks, so I'm just going to show you a couple of my favorites. This one is kind of a metallic theme and it is gorgeous. It would be so pretty on a mantle, but these are $70, you guys. I really love these little pumpkin picks though. These are my favorite of all the ones that I saw. They're kind of made out of twigs or grapevine and they're pretty affordable. And I did want to definitely show you these white pumpkin picks. These look nicer than what Dollar Tree has had in the past, and if you get them on sale, they'll actually be less than $1. And I really loved this pick in particular as well because the pumpkin has like a silver and copper spray on it, and it is $5, but with 40% off, the price isn't too bad. I never really look at fall ribbon just because I don't use it, but this chicken wire ribbon was really cool. It came in gold and I didn't see a silver version, but I saw these right next door, these pumpkin picks that are velvet. They are so cute. They come in a white cream color, a green, and then also an orange, and they have these little curly cues on them. They're so stinking adorable. I've seen these at quite a few places. Kirkland's has these as well, and I think these are going to be a very popular item this year. These are humongous yard pumpkins. If you want to make a big statement, definitely look at these. They are massive and they're $40, but you can of course get the 40% off on them. If you're looking for some faux craft pumpkins, you may want to look somewhere else because Hobby Lobbies are very, very expensive. If you've seen them cheaper somewhere else, definitely leave a comment below letting me know where. This kind of natural material braided pumpkin seems to be very popular this year. I've seen it in several sizes at a few different places. This particular one is marketed as a pumpkin that can be stacked, and so they come in 3 different sizes and 3 different colors as well. This one that I'm showing you right now is the smaller one, and this is kind of the natural white beige color, but I also saw it in a rusty reddish orange, and it also comes in a grayish blue as well. My fall decor is usually down by Thanksgiving, so I don't do anything that is specific to Thanksgiving like turkeys or pilgrims, but if I did, I would get this glitter turkey. He's really cool, even though he's pretty expensive. And I did want to show you guys, they do have replica dough bowls at Hobby Lobby. This one is $19.99, and there are some larger sizes, and I am on the market for one of those. This is kind of a cool take on the red truck, a little bit different. It is $19.99, and I like the galvanized metal with the wood. It actually comes in another pattern, I guess. It's a farm, and it has a different quote on the base. I had to show you these crazy gorgeous flowers. These are like fall peonies, and it is the biggest bunch of flowers I've ever seen. And that's probably why the price is $24.99, but when you get them on sale, you could break those apart and use them in different areas, and it would be so pretty. I particularly love this orange and burgundy set that they have. They just have so many pretty fall florals if you like to decorate with them. If you saw my last fall home decor haul, I hauled a very similar blanket to this from Wish for $50. This one is a lot nicer. I couldn't find the size, but it is very expensive, and I kind of wanted to show you that since I had mentioned that those blankets can be very pricey. And I just had to show you this really gorgeous display as I was leaving where they use that large pumpkin bucket. It's just so pretty in Hobby Lobby right now, guys.
Okay, you guys, I made it out of there alive. I didn't do too much damage. I actually told my boyfriend Jose I wasn't getting anything, but I had to grab a couple things. One of them I didn't show you in the shop with me just to keep a little element of surprise. And that is this super cute orange velvet pumpkin. I mentioned in a previous video, it was actually a home decor haul, a fall home decor haul. I'm gonna link that below for you guys, that I am all about the velvet pumpkins this year, and I'm gonna be adding in a little bit more color this year. Not to scare off the people who watch my seasonal decor videos, because I typically do neutral colors and you love neutral colors. I'm still going to be doing a neutral fall. I just want pops of, like, you know, seasonal color, because it doesn't feel as exciting when the colors of the season aren't there. And this is, it's so cute. Look at the stem. This was $11.99, and everything fall was on sale for 40% off, so I only spent $12.21, and that pumpkin came out to be $7.19 after the 40% off. And then the other item I did show you, and it is this sprig of velvet pumpkins. You will see, or you saw in the video, that this also comes in like a creamy white and a green. And I really debated on getting the white, but I already have like white cotton stems, so I thought, why don't we switch it up? And the green, I don't know, I didn't want the green, I wanted the orange for my pop of color. And these are $6.99 full price, but with the 40% off, it was only $4.19. So I hope you guys enjoyed the shop with me. The manager there kept following me around and whistling, and it made me very uncomfortable. Like, if you've ever tried to vlog before, then you understand. It is extremely uncomfortable to go by yourself and film in a store. And so I think I'm going to try to recruit Jose for my next shop with me, so I can have a little confidence with him by my side, so I'm not looking like a psycho alone. But yeah, so let me know in the comments below where you want to see next. If fall decor is out at whatever place you request, I will go there, or I will go later in the season when they put their fall decor out. So thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Bye.